Over the next several videos, we're going to be introducing you to Unity's terrain system. We're going to start off by showing you how to set up a basic terrain, bring a terrain object in, get its resolution established, and show you what all of the resolution settings are going to allow you to control. We're then going to take you through all of the various terrain generation tools, such as the sculpting tools, which allow you to physically shape your terrain in the view, as well as the texturing tools, which allow you to paint texture directly onto the surface of terrain. We're going to show you how to paint down things like trees and details such as grass, and go over all of the various terrain settings. I do want to mention, though, that what we're not going to be doing is showing you how to create specific types of terrain. Really, a lot of that's going to come with whatever textures you have on hand, which is one of the big defining factors on what your terrain will end up looking like, and just getting used to the tools and working with them. Our goal here is to introduce you to those tools and get you comfortable with using them. So without any further ado, let's go ahead and get started, and we'll begin by bringing in our first terrain object and establishing its resolution.